gonna start introducing myself as Kat because literally no one calls me Catherine anymore, so. Anyways, today I'm gonna be doing my room tour. I'm so excited to finally do it. About like 4 or 5 years ago when I was literally like in the 8th grade and I was homeschooled, my room was like my life, and I spent that whole year like designing every inch of my room and trying to make it perfect. And I'd always dreamed of doing a room tour, never got to it because, you know, I wanted to wait till my room was perfect. But like, I think this is as good as it's gonna get. Don't really know what more I could do. If you guys do want, you can check out my old room tour from like 2014 or something. I'll link it below. My walls were purple. I was an awkward 13-year-old with braces. It's a good time. So that video will be down below after you watch this video, of course, because this one is going to be way better. But anyways, let's just get right into the video. Shit, is it not like tight enough? Okay, hopefully this is in focus. Oh my god. Now would be a good time to subscribe. Just saying. So hopefully this is in focus, but I think I'm going to start with this side of my room because like this is where my door is. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna hold the camera. This is annoying. So first up we have my door. It's just a door. So then we have this wall, super cute. This is from my Sweet 16 and everybody like signed it. That's New Jersey because that's where I live. And then I have this cute little shelf. So I have some pictures on it and some little mini sample perfumes, and then my cheer bow. Then I have this little heart up there with like a nice little quote on it. Then I have this lamp. I think the lamp's from Target, not really sure, and I put these little flowers on there myself. Then I have this little sea I made. I have this little bird cage. I think it's like from Hobby Lobby. I painted it white. These are my dance awards from school. 2 of them are most technical and 1 is for choreography. I have some flowers and then a nice little picture of me and my boyfriend at prom. Down here I'm not gonna like go in depth, but we have some hair stuff, old point shoes, and like a crown from one of my ballet costumes. And there's like travel size body washes, lotions, face masks, bath bombs, that kind of thing. Some books, picture of me and my mom, my senior pictures, some random stuff. This has some swim memorabilia from my swim team days, and then this one has pictures in it. Then those 2 bags I try to keep like receipts in, and then that's my box that my watch came in, and I don't even know what's in that box, and Cards Against Humanity because everybody needs that in their life. Very important. Recycling. I have a little recycling bin in my room because I try to recycle, because one day it's gonna catch up to all of us terrible people that we don't recycle. So, okay, that's enough. And then here, this little dream catcher. I have these lights strung across this wall, and I got them at Kohl's, I think, like, and they were on clearance. And then I just have some twine here, and I have some pictures strung across the wall. I think it looks so cute. My drawers are built into the wall. I don't think you really care what's in them. I mean, so I'm not going to go through that. That's stupid. So then here I have all my makeup. I did a makeup collection a few years ago, so I'll link that below if you want to watch it. But, you know, just have some palettes and stuff. Here I have my nail polishes, which pretty much just collect dust because nowadays I get acrylic, even though I don't have any on right now because... So 2 of my nails were ripped off in a tragic cheer accident. So until they grow back, I'm not wasting money on getting 8 of my nails done. So yeah, you're just gonna have to deal with my ugly ass nails in this video. Sorry! Click out if you want or don't because I want your view. Anyways. Yeah, I just have some makeup and stuff down there. I keep every single card people get me ever. So I have some in there and then some over there. So just know if you ever gave me a birthday card, I still have it. Then I have my little collection of baby lips because way back in middle school I was obsessed with them and it was kind of a weird obsession. But yeah, so I still have all of them, and I have a lot of magazines that I don't read ever, so that's that. More drawers. Oh, right above here I have this little sign. It says, "True friends are the sparkle in our lives." My friend Rael got that for me, and I think that's so cute because, like, you know, I have all pictures of my friends on this wall, so... Then here I have this little ballerina that my mom painted for me, and she's very proud of it. That rose is like from prom, and then that was just always in my grandfather's house growing up, and I always loved to like play with it, and then I'd get yelled at because it was fragile, and now it's in my room, so yay, that's fun. And then I got this clock in an antique shop, brought it home, and then realized it didn't work, which kind of made me sad, but like it's still cute, so whatever. So yeah, there's more cards. I have some books, beauty blenders in there. I think I just have like little like just all kinds of products in there. Those are all my Teen Vogue magazines down there. Okay, so up here I have my TV. Love my TV. On this wall I have this cute little set of these 3 ballerina pictures. And no, none of them are me. People always ask me that, but no, they're just pictures I found on Google, and that's that. But I think I got the frames from Michael's if you like them. Okay, so then we have this part of my room. My mom actually made these curtains for me, and I use the same fabric to make that little pillow over there that has a bow. But anyways, I did my curtains a very specific way. They're all the way from the ceiling down to the floor, and they're not actually on my window, if you can see that. They don't really cover my window at all. But that was a tip that Rebecca Robeson always like talked about on her channel, and I used to love watching her videos in the 8th grade when I was redoing my room, so I made sure that I did my curtains the way that she tells everyone to do their curtains. Oh, it snowed outside. Yeah, that's what snow looks like if you're like from LA or something. So then I have some makeup over here. Here's some palettes that I like to use a lot. Brushes. This has some water in it. And then just some primer spray, some setting spray. This is my little mirror. It's from Pier 1. I have some little flowers here. This super cute sign. That's actually my favorite quote in the whole world. And I want to put it on my graduation cap, but I think it's corny. So I don't know. Let me know if I should do that. Then I have this jar which just has extra makeup in it. And then this is my vanity. I absolutely love it. It's from Pier 1. It comes with like a mirror and a little like stool, but like I didn't get those. Yeah, and then I don't know if you really want to see what's inside, but that's what's inside of that drawer. So that's a mess. My trash can down there. Super cute. And then this is my chair. I literally just got it last week from Amazon. It's just white and it's like really soft and it's so cute. I'll try to link both my vanity and my chair down below if you guys are interested. Alright, so over here on this wall, so I just have this cute little bird cage on the wall. I have a bunch of old point shoes, another cheer book, a varsity letter, which actually isn't for a sport, it's for my grades. And I just have some pictures and some other things on there. I have this little tray down here with my perfumes, and then in this little thing, I just got it from BJ's actually. I just keep my everyday stuff. These are like the products I use every day. And here is my makeup bag that I keep all my everyday makeup in. And in that thing in the bottom, I just have some like camera equipment. Over here, I have my bean bag. This is also from Pier 1. And then I made this pillow. I made the 2 cupcake pillows, and then that my friend Liz got me, and then my friend Lanesia got me that one. Then here I have this little collage of some butterfly pictures that my aunt took. She took all these pictures like in her backyard. I think they're so amazing, so have that hung right there. And then this thing from the Bahamas, and I never actually have been to the Bahamas, so that's kind of misleading. So this is purposely out of focus, but I have a bunch of certificates up there for like my grades or just anything like from school, National Honor Society, all that, but like I don't really think you need to see that. So then I have this little lamp here, and then this table is an antique. It's called a Martha Washington sewing stand. In case you were interested, you probably didn't really care to know that, but now you know it. So here's a bunch of fake succulents because I had a succulent named Sherman and I killed him, so these ones are fake. Yeah, and that one's Chip from Beauty and the Beast. So cute. I have my salt lamp right there. Absolutely love it. And here I keep some lotions, some sunglasses, and then my remote for my TV. Have a little candle burning that my friend Sarah got me. That's a coaster. I have some tissues here. I think this little tissue box is so cute, and it says God bless you. Oh my god, so cute. Okay. Down there I have a little bin. It has my laptop in it, some cleaning supplies, and then brownie mix. I don't really know why that's in there. Here I just have a bunch of medals from like different things, mostly like dance and stuff. And then my Six Flags season pass. Oh yeah. here is my bed. So my bedding is from Bed Bath & Beyond. I got it on clearance. And then I made this pillow. I went through a phase where I really liked making pillows. So yeah, and I sewed them. I didn't like use hot glue or anything. Like I sewed them from scratch. Thank you very much. I made that pillow too. And then this one I got from Target. My sheets are from Target. And yeah, that's my bed. I have a little mermaid blanket here at the edge. And my bed is also an antique. My aunt actually literally curb picked it and then she like refinished it for me. So that's the story behind my bed. Literally so proud of this wall. I think it's so adorable. It's just this cute little collage. The little couture posters I got from Michael's, and then all the frames are from Walmart, and I spray painted them because they were really ugly when I bought them. And then this relax sign is from a shop on the boardwalk in Wildwood. The little mirrors are from Michael's. The sea I made, and then I got that Jersey Girl sign from some shop in like Ocean Grove or something. Up here I have my 2 varsity letters. I literally only did 2 seasons of a sport in high school. 1 season of cheer and 1 season of swim. So I can say that I put my time in and I was a student athlete. This is my mirror. I got it from, I think, Bed Bath & Beyond. Super cute, so I could see all my outfits. Here's my closet, and you guys know how it is. If your room is clean, then that means your closet's probably a mess, so like you don't really need to see that. And then I just have some cute little notes. That one's from my dance teacher, and then that one's from Sabrina. And yeah, that is my room. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you're not already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.